Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to activate Lebara SIM card UK. First, open lebara.com in your web browser. Once you're in, go to Help, then click on Support. Here, you'll find the option of Why isn't my SIM card working and click to see its details. On this page, you'll find some possible solutions to this problem. Firstly, you need to dial 5588 to activate your SIM card. If you have already done it, make sure you have inserted your SIM card correctly. Next, check if your phone is unlocked. If it is not, then unlock it. After that, make sure you have enough top-up credit or plan allowance to make a call or send a text. Lastly, check if your SIM card has expired. You can check with an advisor for help regarding the problem you're facing. Click on Start Chat and discuss the issue you're facing. They will help you. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.